महकती है राधा इन सांसों के मधुबन में, आठों पहर राधा का सुमिरन है मोहन के मन में। राधा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा।
नदियों में देखो धूम मची है आज, सालवाल और लोग गोपियां झूमे सकल समाज। जय कन्हैया लाल की होली है, होली है, होली है, होली है।
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं 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 वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं
Good morning, my name is Devangana. I am a proud mother of Shigorika Chada, who's in pre-primary section D. About school, if I put in a few words, I will always fall short of words because Salwan fraternity never fails to amaze us with the holistic approach they give to our kids, the individualistic approach they give to our kids, the upbringing they have done, the amount of effort they put in learning and doing things by learning. I'll always recommend parents to enroll their child over here, and now both my kids are studying here, the elder one in class 3 and now the younger one in section in KG. I'd like to say, like we have seen today's program itself, the amount of effort the teachers have put in, the practices that have been going on, and I'm so thankful to the school, to the teachers, to staff, each and every person who has made this thing possible today. My child has grown up confident, she's become independent, and I'm really thankful to the entire school, the team, the teachers for being so much supportive and encouraging us as parents also, and we are also learning along with our kids. Thank you so much.